So McDonald's has a lot of mobile advertising campaigns that they run. They run on a variety of different smartphone devices, iPhone, Android. They run a lot of iAd campaigns. And this one is specifically optimized for Nexus 7. That's where I saw the ad. And I really find that this is one of the best campaigns that they have ever done. Tablets create more, they have more real estate that marketers can work with. And for this specific one, for this specific campaign, McDonald's really wants you to learn more about their menu items, both the existing ones they have as well as new ones. And it gives them more real estate, for this creative. The ad is lively, it's very interactive, it's very colorful, and it makes you as a customer want to learn more about these menu items and then go to the nearest locations to try them out. And I think that other companies should really take a look at what McDonald's is doing, specifically in the advertising space, where I really find that they reign, and sort of mimic that, to really drive their own customers to their locations.